Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I come back with another video. In this video, you will get 9 paid Coursera courses for free with certification. So before getting started, if you are new on my channel, then subscribe to my channel for upcoming video. Also join my Telegram group for daily course update. In previous video, I have given you 50 plus paid Udemy courses for free with certification. If you haven't watched that video, then I will recommend you to watch. The link will be given in the description. So let's get started. Here you can see the free learning from Coursera birthday. Here you can redeem one free course for the Absolute collection and your discount will be applied at checkout. The offer of the subject will change and valid 30 April 2021. The first course is Introduction to Machine Learning. In this course, we will learn our foundational understanding of machine learning models like logistic regression, multi-layer persistent, convolutional neural network, natural language processing, etc., as well as demonstrate how to use this model and solve complex models in variety of industry for the medical diagnosis of image recognition to text prediction. In addition, we have to design all the practice exercise that we will give hand-on experience implementing this data. You will get shareable certificate, 100% online, flexible deadline, intermediate level, approximately 25 hours of complete. The course is in English, but there are subtitles provided in Arabic, French, Portuguese, Italian, Vietnam, etc. The course is offered by Duke University. Here you can see the syllabus of the course. In first week, you will learn simple introduction to machine learning. In second week, you will learn basic of model learning. In third week, you will learn image analysis with convolutional neural network. And in fourth week, you will learn recurrent neural network for natural language processing. In fifth week, you will learn the transformer network for natural language process. In sixth week, you will learn introduction to performance learning. The next course is building modern Python application of AWS. In this course, we will learn the modern cloud native application development. It's often that the goal to build a serverless architecture that are scalable, are highly available, and fully managed. This means less operational overhead for your business and more focusing on the application and business specific project and differentiate you and in your marketplace. In this course, you will find the covering how to build a modern greenfield serverless backend on AWS. You will get several certificate on completion of the course. The course is 100% online, flexible deadline. You should have an intermediate level knowledge like basic of AWS, understanding of AWS global infrastructure, AWS IAM, Amazon EC2, VPC, and Amazon S3, comprehension of AWS terminal. Approximately 23 hours of complete course. The course is for approximately 23 hours. The course is in English, but the subtitles are provided in Arabic, French, Portuguese, etc. The course is provided by Amazon Web Service. Here you can see the syllabus. The next course is Problem Solving Using Computational Thinking. This course is offered by University of Michigan. In this course, you will learn computational thinking. You will get shareable certificate after the completion of the course. The course will be 100% online. There will be a flexible deadline. The course is for beginner level. Approximately 11 hours will be required to complete the course. The course is in English and you will get also subtitles like French, Portuguese, etc. You can see the course syllabus. In week 1, you will learn foundation of computational thinking. In week 2, you will learn case study on airport surveillance and image analysis. In week 3, you will learn case study on epidemiology. In fourth week, you will learn case study on human trafficking. And in week 5, you will learn final project. The next course is financial planning for young adults. In this course, you will learn financial planning developed by the partnership with the CFF board in the design to provide introduction to basic financial planning concept for young adults. After the completion of the course, we will get shareable certificate. The course will be 100% online. There will be flexible deadline. The course is for beginner level. Approximately 20 hours will require to complete the course. The course is in English and the subtitles are Arabic, French, and etc. The course is offered by University of Illinois at the Urbana Champions. You can see the syllabus of the course. In week 1 you will learn orientation and module 1 setting the financial goal and assessing your situation. In week 2 you will learn budgeting and cash flow management, saving strategy, the time value of money, borrowing and credit, investing. In week 4 you will learn risk management, financial planning as a career. The next course is giving a helpful feedback. In this course, you will learn the simple principle to expert managers use to improve the motivation employee performance. You will never have to avoid telling that employee the truth again, because the 7 techniques will teach you to not make your employee defensive or afraid. After the completion of the course, you will get Survival certificate. You will get 100% online. There will be flexible deadline, approximately 5 hours to complete the course. The course will be in English. The subtitles will be Arabic, French, etc. The course is offered by University of Colorado Boulder. Here you can see the syllabus of the course. In first week, you will learn introduction to giving helpful feedback and positive feedback. The second week, you will learn negative feedback used with caution. The third week, you will learn the 7 essential feedback skill part 1. In fourth week, you will learn the 7 essential feedback skill part 2. In week 5th, you will learn giving helpful feedback, turn your knowledge into long-term change, helpful class resources. The next course is Music of Wellness. In this course, you will learn the music-related things. After the completing the course, you will learn Survival certificate. The course will be 100% online. There will be a flexible deadline. The course is for beginner level. There will be approximately 11 hours on complete, and the course will be in English. In this course, you will learn the effect music has on the brain, strategy and technique for regulation, emotion and stress by integrating music with Asian practices such as mantra and pranayam, the scientific underpinning, the support of efficacy of Asian trading practice used to promote wellness, how and why the music can help you to live happier, healthier life. The course is offered by Drake Lee College of Music. Here you can see the syllabus of the course. In first week, you will learn Welcome to Music for Wellness, Music for Creativity. The second week, you will learn Music of Comfort. Third week, you will learn Music of Awakening. The fourth week, you will learn Music for You. The next course is Career Decision from Insight to Impact. In this course, you will learn Adult Development Psychology by training and career counselor by trade. Currently, the director of the Gordon Career Center at Wesleyan University is Connecticut. After the completion of the course, you will get a Survival certificate. The course will be 100% online. There will be a flexible deadline. The course is for beginner level. Approximately 11 hours will be required to complete the course. The course is in English, but there are subtitles provided in Arabic, French, Portuguese, etc. This course is provided by Wesleyan University. Here you can see the syllabus of the course. In week 1, you will learn your motivation part 1. In week 2, you will learn your motivation part 2. In week 3, you will learn your mindset. In week 4, you will learn your map. The next course is Inclusive Leadership, the Power of Workplace Diversity. In this course, you will learn how to value and respect others for cultivate inclusion, signature traits to inclusive leader, combination with diverse individuals to achieve goals. After the completion of the course, you will get Survival certificate. The course will be 100% online. Flexible deadline will be provided. The course is for beginner level. Approximately 21 hours will be required to complete the course, and the course is in English. The course is offered by University of Colorado System. Here you can see the syllabus of the course. In first week, you will learn Inclusion Matters. In second week, you will learn Inclusive Leadership Matter. In third week, you will learn 6 signature traits for highly inclusive leader. In fourth week, you will learn Combination and Inclusive Leadership. Here you can see the review of the course. The next course is Develop and Deploy Windows applications on Google Cloud Platform. In this course, we will learn to deploy and run Microsoft Windows application on Google Cloud Platform through lectures and hand-on labs. Learn how to configure, run Microsoft Windows and Microsoft SQL Server in Google Compute Engine, and you will also learn to develop and deploy ASP.NET application and deploy them to Google Compute Engine. After the completion of the course, you will get Sarevo certificate. The course will be 100% online. There will be flexible deadline which can be reset. The course is for beginner level and there will be approximately 11 hours to complete the course. The course is in English. This course is offered by Google Cloud. Here you can see the syllabus of the course. In Module 1, you will learn Introduction to Google Platform. In Module 2, you will learn Windows workload on Google Compute Engine. In Module 3, Developing ASP.NET MVC application. In Module 4, you will learn Configure Resilient Workload. In Module 5, you will learn Delivering Next Generation ASP.NET Core on GCP. Remember, you can only choose one course out of 9. So choose wisely the course. Now I will show you how to enroll the course. For that, you have to click on Enroll for free and you have to create an account or log in with your Google ID. After the successful login, you can see the course is for 3,583 rupees, but you can get it in free. The free enrollment will be available until April 30, 2021. There will be only one enrollment per person. Then you have to go for course and you will successfully enroll for the course. And you can see all the course material. Apply link will be given in the description. If you have any doubt or query, then comment below. Share this video to friends and family members because they can also get the benefit of the course. Thank you.